guys, we're doing this in extreme wind. Long range extreme wind. Whoa, shoot. I went to that hole. See that, guys? This is what you get for having extreme winds. No lost signal. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. This Occusync 2.0. Wow, that's amazing. Well, just letting you know, this is the extreme wind with zero lag. You're talking about I don't even know how many miles it is, but just to be honest with you, this is really windy, and you can see here, I mean, with the zoom, I can actually zoom in more to the pier, but just to be honest, you know, with this wind like this, you know, it's too risky. You know, you don't want to lose your drone, you know, or anything like that. But anyway, just letting you guys know that yes, no delay on the transmission. Really amazing. Wow. And he's back on extreme wind. Look how quiet it is. Wow. You see that, guys? Wow. And the cool thing about this, is you can have it right here. You can have that right there, right? You can have it right here, guys. And then look, you can zoom in. It just give you that idea. Wow. Awesome. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like.